Yeah, I'm with Bucci.
Somewhere straight in. Go straight in.
Now you must think about you fly off and your 12 is 19 years old and you have to play a World Cup final with a 19-year-old inside center. That's crazy. That just causes chaos on the field. So I mean, he looked after me well between him and Jacques Fourie on the outside. So no, I've got a lot of respect for him. And till today, I don't think he got the recognition.
Sure.
Daar kom hy nou, né?
Big words out here. Big words out here.
No, we do speak English there in the Free State.
Love to hear it.
But I don't think he got the recognition of the 2007 team. I think Fourie and Percy, Matty and Brian got a lot of... but between him and John, I think they're the unsung heroes of that team.
Sure.
If everything we spoke about now, what a Flyers needs to do, he did it in that 2007 World Cup. So